Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will discuss about how to order iPhone 15. So as you know, iPhone recently launched a new device, iPhone 15, and many people want to buy it. So how you can buy or pre-order your iPhone 15. So watch this video till the end, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So let's start the video. Many people are searching about how to order iPhone 15, so I decided to create a video on it. So what you have to do is, first of all, you have to open your browser, any browser you are using, and after that here you have to search for the order iPhone 15 Pro Max, and you can see a website is appear, which is basically Apple official website. So here you can see get ready for iPhone 15 Pro pre-order. Just click on it. Once you will do it, you will be on this page, and as you can read right here, get ready for iPhone 15 Pro pre-order. Choose your new iPhone today, then speed through checkout on 9/15. So from today 9/15, uh, 9th month September and 15 date, you can easily pre-order your iPhone at 5 a.m. PTT. So this is the way. The price of the phone is $999, and here you can find the plans. So in this way you can pre-order your iPhone 15. So hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.